Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Hello, dear kids. All are ready? Yes, all are ready for class. Very good. So, children, we are learning step by step numbers and spellings. So, first we have learned 1 to 10 numbers. Then what we have learned? 11 to 20 numbers. So, all together 1 to 20 numbers. Then after that what we have learned? 1 to 5 number names. Now children, today's topic is shapes. Okay. So step by step we are learning, and now this is time to learning shapes. Okay. Now first, before that I will start shapes, we will repeat the spellings again. Okay. So we'll repeat. Okay. You have to repeat after me one by one. So first we'll take 1. So you know this number? Yes, 1. One fish. And what is the spelling of 1? Yes, O-N-E, 1. Again repeat. O-N-E, 1. Very good. Again say 1. Number is, spelling is O-N-E, 1. Okay. Now we'll come to 2. After 1, you know which number? 2. See? 2. This is 2. And how many leaves? 2 leaves. We will count 1, 2. 2 leaves. And number is 2. And spelling of 2 is T-W-O, 2. Say again. T-W-O, 2. Very good. Repeat again. T-W-O, 2. Now after 2, which number will come? Yes, 3. So children, this is 3. Here you can see apples. So come on, we count. 1, 2, 3. Repeat again. 1, 2, 3. 3 apples, 3 number. And what is the spelling of 3? Yes, come on, read. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Read again. T-H-R-E-E, 3. And you can read like this also. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Okay. So this is 3. Now after 3, which number will come? Yes, 4. And here it is 4. Okay. So this is 4. And how many balloons? You know, 4 balloons. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balloons, 4 number. And what is the spelling of 4? Yes, we will spell F-O-U-R, 4. Repeat again. F-O-U-R, 4. Spell again. F-O-U-R, 4. Children, please repeat again and again. Okay? You will learn. Okay? Now 5. This is 5. See how many stars? Of course 5. We have counted before. So again we'll count. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stars and 5 number. What is the spelling of 5? Spell with me. F-I-V-E, 5. Say again. F-I-V-E, 5. Very good. Repeat again. F-I-V-E, 5. So we have learned these spellings because we have previous class we have learned this spelling. So we have repeated again. Now children, we will come to a new topic. And for new topic, I want to tell you, take your book. In this book, last you have to come page number 79. Here you can see here page number 79. Okay. And here page number 80. These 2 pages about shapes we will learn. Okay. Now here you can see this topic, date, subject is maths, topic shapes. Okay. So this today we will learn shapes. These are the shapes. Okay. So first shape is circle. Circle. Say circle. This is triangle. Repeat. Triangle. Triangle. You can see? Yes. Now the next shape is square. Square. Next is rectangle. Next is rectangle. Repeat again. Circle, triangle, square, rectangle. So these four shapes today we have to learn. Now children, you have seen this, and after this one exercise is for with the objects. So before these objects we will later on we will do this exercise, but before that I want to show you objects. Okay, so we have learned these shapes and I will show you with the shapes. So this is what is this? Yes, I have shown you na, circle. Circle. Say circle. Yes, circle. And with this circle I will show you the object like circle. Okay, now you can see here, what is this? Ball. Same. Circle is round in shape. This is round in shape and the ball is also round in shape. So this is circle, and for the circle we can take, this is sun. See, this is also round and sun is also round shape. Okay, we see in the morning. See the early morning sun. Very good. Now we will take next shape, that is triangle. This is triangle. Okay, so this, for this shape I will show you, see, ice cream. It's matching with this. Ice cream you like na? Very good. So triangle, ice cream. For the triangle we say this cone. We eat now this ice cream. Very good. So one more example I will show you, that is birthday cap. You celebrate birthday. See, I will show you this birthday cap. It's nice na? Very good. So with the triangle, this birthday cap. When we will press like this, it's seen like, yes, you can see, you can see triangle and birthday cap. Okay, so this is the example of triangle. And now which shape? Square. Okay, for square, see, for square I will show you one. You play dice. Ludo you play. This dice is also, you can see, it is very small but you can see the shape of dice. Yes, it's matching with this object. Good. Now next is, I will show you, yes, we play Ludo. It's matching with this shape. This is also square and this is also square. You can see here. Yes, this shape is having 4 sides. How many sides? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 corners also. 1, 2, 3, 4. So children, for this shape I have shown you this. And now one more. You play chess. See, this is also square shape. Can see? Yes, square. And for this, for example, this is chessboard. Okay, this is also having 4 sides and 4 corners. Okay, so this is square, and for square object is chessboard. Okay, now I will show you next is rectangle. This is rectangle. You can see. Okay, for this rectangle I will show you objects, and you use also mobile. You can see mobile. Your mama is having, daddy is having mobile. Yes. So this is the shape of rectangle. Mobile is also, see, you can see same shape. Very good. And for this another shape we will take, another object, that is magazine. We are having at home book and all. So you can see the shape of book, or we can call this is magazine. So same shape of rectangle. You see. Okay. Okay children. Now you have learned about these shapes, and you have to do now one exercise. You will repeat. So once we will repeat these shapes again, then we will do exercise. Okay. So once again you have to say circle. Repeat after me. Circle. Triangle. Say triangle. Square. Say square. This is rectangle. What? Rectangle. Once again. Once more. Okay. Say circle. Yes. Circle. Triangle. Square. And rectangle. So we have learned these 4 shapes, and after this I will show you one exercise, and here we can see this matching shape. I have shown you in the book. Remember, I have shown you just now in the book. You can see here last page, match. Here page number 80. Okay, the same way we will do in this sheet. Okay, so in sheet you can see. So we will do this exercise. Okay, now I will take one pencil and I will show you this, and we will do this exercise. Okay, yes, here. So this is pencil. We have to match with the object. So here you can see first object is what it is. Yes, first object is watch. What it is? Watch. So we have to match with the same shape. Okay. So in which shape it is matching? Watch is matching with the, yes, square. So we have to match with pencil like this. This here you can see dot, and here you can see dot. So we'll match like this. Okay. Like this we have to match it. You can see? Yes. Now we'll go to next object. What it is? This is slice of bread. Slice of bread, and we'll go with this. Which shape? Triangle. Yes. So here dot is here. You have to go with triangle. See, same. Okay, same object, same shape. Now what is this? TV. You all are watching TV? Very good. So TV is matching with which shape? Yes, rectangle. You can see same. So we'll go with dot to dot like this. Okay. Now we'll come to next object. This is ball. You can see ball. Yes children. This is ball, and it is matching with, yes, circle. So we'll go with circle like this. Okay. You can see. So we have done this exercise at home also. Your mama will prepare like this, and you will match and you will learn the shape. Okay. Now children, we have learned 1 to 20 numbers, spellings, and the shapes. Okay. you have to repeat again at home, and I have told you, you have to note down page number 79, it is given, and repeat, and I will show you again this book. And this your homework is, you have to learn shapes, okay, 1 to 20 number also, and 1 to 5 numbers name also, okay. So once more you have to repeat again, circle and circle. See, I have shown you circle, okay. Now triangle, you can see triangle, okay. Now this is square, square, okay. Now rectangle. What is this? Rectangle. So it's matching with this rectangle? Yes. Okay. Now we have finished this learning shapes, and your homework is you have to learn the spellings. Again I am telling you, number names and shapes. Okay. Till that we will, when we will come to next class, we will repeat again these all the 3 questions. Okay. And we will you have to repeat again and again, you have to learn. Okay. Now we have to we will finish this session, and when we will meet again to next class. Till then, take care. Till then, take care, and do not forget to do your homework. Okay children, have a good day. God bless you. Bye.